what happens if the guy that hit you doesn't have any insurance on his car? So essentially there are 4 different kind of things that can happen in that situation. First, and ideally, you're going to have a substantial uninsured motorist policy on your vehicle. In the case that you do have an uninsured or uninsured motorist policy on your vehicle, you can go after your own insurance company and file a claim with them, and they have to essentially process the claim just as if they were acting as the third-party person that hit you. Now, it's ideal in that situation because your own auto insurance company pretty much has to give you a little bit better service and kind of a better approach if you're going against your own insurance versus the other guy's insurance, because it's your insurance company. So, but if you don't know if you have uninsured or underinsured motorist policy, I'd contact your insurance rep or get online and check to see if you got that on your policy. If not, get it, you need it. Second, depending on what kind of infraction or misdemeanor that they were cited for, it's possible that the criminal court can enter a judgment against that person, and the court can order that person to repay you through the court system. Third, if he doesn't have insurance company, and maybe if he's only cited for infraction and the criminal court can't go after him for that, or they won't enter judgment for those damages, you could personally sue the person without insurance. But in that event, it's usually only worth it if he has substantial assets like a house or a lot of cars or business. So that's kind of the situation there. Now, fourth and the worst situation that can happen is if 1, doesn't have insurance, 2, you don't have UIM, 3, you don't have any substantial assets, and in that case, kind of screwed, because you're not going to be able to recover from him at all, because you can sue him and you get a huge judgment, but if there's nothing to go after, then there's really no reason to sue him. And he can also file bankruptcy after you sue him, which would pretty much avoid any liability on that end. So those are the 4 kind of things that can happen. And again, check to see if you have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage on your own auto insurance policy. And if you don't, get it. It's way cheaper than the actual liability policy. So, pro tip, get UIM and UM coverage on your auto policy. Thanks.